Are smoothies and protein shakes an essential part of your daily routine? If so, the Hamilton Beach Personal Creations blender with travel lid is here to simplify your life. This innovative blender allows you to blend your favorite beverages and hit the ground running, with the blending jar doubling as a convenient travel mug complete with a lid. There's no need to search for a separate cup or spend precious time cleaning up the blender before heading out. Simply detach the jar from the base and you're good to go. Here are the key features of Hamilton Beach Portable Blender for Shakes and Smoothies. Blend and go. Blend fruit smoothies, shakes, and your favorite icy drinks right in the 14 Oz BPA free travel jar. Then grab it and go. The blender jar comes with a travel lid to double as a go cup. It's portable, lightweight, and fits in most car cup holders. Powerful blending performance. Durable stainless steel blades power through ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens for consistently smooth results. Perfect for adding more vitamins and nutrients into your diet in smoothies and protein shakes. Quick and easy cleanup. The blending jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is a breeze. Compact design fits most cup holders. The small size of the blender makes it perfect for the home, office, travel, small dorms, and apartments. Easy one-touch blending. Quickly prepare smoothies, shakes, icy drinks, and more by just pressing the button. It's so easy. Easy storage. With the cord wrap and compact design, the blender neatly stores almost anywhere. The cord wrap holds the cord neatly around the base of the blender out of the way.